Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet S10, price $8,750, rare and exceptionally clean example with 118,000 actual miles, an automatic transmission, and a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine with overdrive. Finished in red with a gray interior, it is one of only 1,600 SS models produced in 1995 out of more than 200,000 S10s built that year. The truck is in mint condition, suitable for daily driving or car shows. The paint remains glossy, the bed is flawless, and the interior is in showroom-like condition, with seat covers used only for protection. It has been garage-capped, never smoked in, and carefully maintained throughout its life. Mechanically, it runs and shifts smoothly with no leaks or issues. It is equipped with power windows and locks, tilt, cruise control, power steering and brakes, factory AC and heat, electric mirrors, slide rear glass, fog lights, a working factory AM/FM cassette radio, 15-inch weld racing wheels, the original spare, and the owner's manual. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck has 150,000 miles and is powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 with TBI fuel injection, paired with an automatic 700R4 transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It runs on gasoline and drives exceptionally well, feeling almost like new. The truck features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior, giving it a clean and classic look. A significant amount of time, effort, and money has been invested into this truck, resulting in a build that has been both enjoyable and rewarding. There is simply too much work done to list in full, and the condition speaks for itself through the photos. Nearly everything on the truck is either brand new or has been replaced, making it a very solid and well-sorted example of a classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 3. 1980 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $6,750. This pickup is equipped with a manual transmission and runs on a diesel engine, featuring a clean white exterior paired with a very nice factory black interior. Powered by a 1.6L turbo diesel engine mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, the truck is completely rust-free and was originally a factory gasoline sport truck before being professionally converted. The engine, sourced from a later model Jetta and upgraded with a hydraulic head, runs strong and reliable, making the vehicle a dependable daily driver that can be driven anywhere without issues. It features a full 3-inch exhaust system, a new fuel tank, refreshed brakes, and a recently installed new clutch along with a rear main seal. The heating system functions properly, though the truck is not equipped with air conditioning. Overall, this Rabbit pickup is a solid, well-maintained example with strong mechanicals and thoughtful upgrades. Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has 225,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It is equipped with a push-button 4x4 system, making it suitable for both daily driving and work-related use. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a tan interior, along with a third door that adds convenience and easier cabin access. The vehicle runs and drives great and comes with a clean title in hand. While it is not a new truck and shows typical wear for its age, including dings, dents, scratches, and a cracked dashboard, it remains a solid and functional pickup. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 would make a dependable and practical work truck for someone looking for a capable 4x4 with a proven V8 drivetrain. Number 5. 1995 Ford F150, price $10,000. This truck has 197,000 miles and an automatic transmission, running on gasoline with a green exterior and gray interior. It has been well maintained with a rebuilt transmission, new radiator, water pump, thermostat, hoses, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, new front brakes, a new AC system, and a full tune-up. The truck also features new exhaust and muffler, new tires, an epoxy-coated bed, updated front and rear lights, and a refreshed driver's seat cushion. It is equipped with a Bluetooth radio, for speakers, a 10-inch subwoofer with an amp, smooth-working power windows, tinted windows, and includes a toolbox. Number 6. 1997 Mazda B2300, price $5,000. Compact pickup truck powered by a 2.3L inline-4 gasoline engine mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. The truck has 198,000 miles on the odometer and is configured with 3 seats, making it a practical choice for daily driving or light work duties. It features a brown exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a simple and classic pickup appearance. Overall, this Mazda B2300 is described as a straightforward and reliable compact truck, offering automatic transmission convenience, efficient 4-cylinder gasoline power, and a traditional RWD layout suitable for everyday use or as a utility vehicle.
Number 7.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, equipped with a manual transmission and has 232,000 miles on the odometer. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience to its classic setup. The battery is only 1 year old and is still under warranty through June 2027. The air conditioning system is functional, however, the blend door is believed to be faulty and may require replacement. For the right price, the seller is also willing to include a set of rally wheels with brand new tires. The truck's registration tags are up to date, and it currently carries California plates that are valid through June 2026. Additionally, a set of lowering springs will be included with the truck.
Number 8.
1988 Toyota regular cab, price $5,500, powered by a V6 gasoline engine with a 4x4 drivetrain and a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 293,000 miles and is finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior. It runs and drives well and has been regularly maintained. Recent service includes a new fuel pump and fuel filter, a fresh oil change, new NGK copper spark plugs, and recently serviced power steering, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. The rear is equipped with 2 new Cooper all-terrain tires that provide added traction. It also comes with a camper shell, though there is no key for the shell. The truck has a clean title, and the keys are in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 9.
1989 GMC S15, price $3,500. It has traveled 141,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It comes in a tan exterior color that contrasts nicely with its red interior, giving the truck a distinctive and vintage look. The vehicle has recently been serviced with fresh oil, new spark plugs, and a new radiator, helping ensure reliable performance and proper cooling. The truck runs and drives as it should, and the 4x4 system is fully functional, making it suitable for light off-road use or driving in various road conditions. While it could benefit from some additional attention and cosmetic refinement, it already has a solid foundation and plenty of character.
Number 10.
2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,900. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a reliable 4x4 system, making it well suited for work or all-terrain use, and the plow setup is fully functional and ready to go. Under the hood is a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine that delivers strong performance and lives up to its reputation as a durable workhorse. The truck sits on great all-terrain tires and has a solid frame with no serious rot, showing only typical wear for its age while remaining structurally sound and capable of passing inspection. The heater works properly, ensuring comfort in colder conditions, and the engine runs cool with no overheating issues.